Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create an in-depth review about this website called Mullvad. So we're going to explore the features, the pros and cons, and the pricing plan for this website to help you decide if this platform will be a better VPN option for you to use in 2025. So to get started, Mullvad is like a secret tunnel for your internet connection. It's one of many VPN provider, but what makes it unique is Mullvad help you stay private online. Think of it as a disguise for your computer. Website and app can see where and what you are doing. When you use the internet, a VPN hides this information. How it work? How does it work? You connect your computer or your phone to a Mullvad VPN server, which acts as your new online location. So if you are in the US and connect to a Mullvad VPN in France, websites will think you are in France, and Mullvad VPN server network span many countries, giving you a many choice for hiding your location. Now, talking about the key features about this platform, they have a wide range of features. So Mullvad has some really remarkable features that makes it stand out from the crowd. So these features are designed to keep your online activities private. So let's explore one of these five of these best features. One of these first features is the VPN, together with the browser extension, the search icon, the encrypted DNS, and a browser. So all these features make it stand out compared to others. Now, talking about the pricing plan, they have just three plans. They have a month plan, a year plan, and 10 years plan. So if you want more information about the price, you can just get back to the website using the link in the video to have access to the website. Then check out which plan would be a best option for you. Talking about the pros and cons, it's good to understand the good side and the bad side of a particular VPN platform before diving into it. So I'm going to explore and review the good side of this VPN over the other side. So talking about the good side, which is the strong privacy focus, it also comes with an excellent security features with no log policy and user-friendly app. It also comes with an open source software and a multiple payment option, and also affordable in pricing. Talking about the downside, which is the smaller server network, it also comes with a limited customer support, and no live chat option, together with a basic app interface and a lack advanced features. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this website and how you think the network, the VPN can help you keep your private. Thanks.